In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where galaxies stretch beyond our imagination, there exists a mysterious emptiness, the Great Void, also known as the Boötes Void. Today we embark on a journey to explore this enigmatic region of space, where the cosmic void challenges our understanding of the universe. The void was first discovered in 1981. In the course of a redshift survey of galaxies, astronomers noted that one plausible interpretation of the data they had collected was that the area is nearly devoid of galaxies. Located in the constellation Boötes, is unlike any other place in the universe. It's a colossal region of almost complete emptiness, spanning over 330 million light-years in diameter. Imagine a vast cosmic desert within the cosmic ocean. This colossal void is surrounded by a dense supercluster of galaxies, making its emptiness all the more baffling. It challenges our current models of the universe's structure and formation. The Boötes Void is a cosmic conundrum. According to our current understanding of the universe's expansion and distribution of matter, such a vast void shouldn't exist. Our universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, and galaxies should be evenly distributed. Yet the Boötes Void stands as a profound anomaly. To add to the mystery, astronomers have discovered a colossal wall of galaxies surrounding the void, aptly named the Great Wall. This wall is a vast structure of galaxies that shouldn't be there if our models were entirely accurate. One theory suggests that the Boötes Void could be the result of a massive cosmic collision in the distant past, causing matter to be pushed away. Another theory posits that it might be a glimpse into a different phase of the universe's evolution, where dark energy has played a unique role. Astronomers are using cutting-edge instruments and telescopes to peer deep into the Boötes Void, gathering data that might one day unlock its secrets. We're driven by curiosity and the desire to understand our universe better. The Boötes Void keeps us awake at night, pushing us to question and explore the unknown. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, the Boötes Void stands as a reminder that there is still much we don't understand about the universe. It beckons us to explore, question, and never stop searching for answers. The Great Void remains an enigmatic puzzle in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, inviting us to journey further into the universe's vast unknown. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep expanding the boundaries of knowledge.